Right, so we have three buckets, right? We have three different type of an agent within a company. We have a dependent agent, somebody who's a brand new agent. We have interdependent agent, somebody who is a struggling agent, and then we have independent agents. These are high producing agents, right? Top producers, you may call them, or team leaders, right? And I think for a healthy company, you have to have a combination of all those three. Initially, if you're starting a brokerage, or even if you're starting a team, you're typically going to be focusing primarily on dependent agent, a newer agent, or a struggling agent. You know, it's very rare for a brokerage to start or a team to attract a high producing agent into that organization, to that system. From my experience, I remember when I started a brokerage, getting a high producing agent to switch over, it's tough. It's really difficult. Most of them, they want to kind of have that wait and see attitude. They don't say no, but they don't say yes. Why? Because you're a new kid on the block. They want to kind of see what you're going to do. They want to see who you're about. You want to see, for example, if you're going to be adding any additional agents. And like, I'm still talking to some high producing agents from 2.5 years ago. You know, and it took me sometimes months and months and months and even years to bring on agents that are doing 15, 20, 25, 30 transactions, right? So typically, the type of an agent that you're going to be initially attracting if you're starting a broker is going to be a brand new agent or a struggling agent, which is perfectly fine, by the way, right? Do not get discouraged, okay? But they all have different value propositions that they're interested in.